Nessun dorma no besto bocaroido performance contesto no.
Vertigo is a sound installation meant as a contemporary interpretation of a centuries-long journey of a part of Nizami Ganjavi's poem. Written in the 12th century, The Seven Beauties has non-linear structure and multiple narratives. 7 stories about various colors, narrated by 7 beauties to the King Bahram throughout a week, are the parables about the qualities that a ruler should have in order to be a successful king. Narrated on Tuesday, the day of planet Mars, the story by Nasrin Nush, the princess of the fourth clime, was about color red. A Slavonic beauty in her story was very wise and self-sufficient and declared to marry only her equal. In order to do so, she tested all her suitors with the riddles, and those who failed to answer the riddles were losing their life. The story of this princess later appeared in a number of literature works. In the 18th century, it was a part of the 1001 Day book written by François Petit de la Croix. Later, it was picked up by Carlo Gozzi and then Friedrich von Schiller for their place. Nizami's nameless princess of Slavonic lands became Turandot, the princess of China. The plot became even more famous when a number of composers wrote operas on this subject. Among them were Carl Maria von Weber, Ferruccio Busoni and Giacomo Puccini. Riddles continue also in Vertigo sound installation. Visitors have 2 options to choose from: an open sound installation and an experience of walking through the exhibition with radio and headphones. The latter allows more personal experience, since depending from the physical location of a visitor and his proximity to one of the 5 radio transmitters, the sounds that he hears might differ. Vertigo, with its non-linear structure and overlapping sound, blurs gender stereotypes and highlights cross-cultural fertilization that takes place throughout human history. We have a number of recurring themes, one of which is Nessun Dorma aria, which is traditionally performed by a tenor, a male voice, in Giacomo Puccini's Turandot opera. In our interpretation, is sang by contratenor, whose voice is very similar to female voice, then by Vocaloid program, and a chorus of female soprano voices. We also took a very famous classical piece, Le Cygne, or The Swan, written in the 19th century by Camille Saint-Saëns, and transformed it from classical European performance into Oriental music traditions by rewriting and rearranging the score so that it is performed by traditional Azerbaijani music instruments in various modes of mugham. Visitors exploring the exhibition have multiple entry points and could experience Vertigo for a few minutes or up to 1 hour in order to unlock all the riddles and the content that is simultaneously channeled in 5 radio transmissions.